Are you losing sleep over the prospect of missing a few house payments? Or even worse, are you terrified of a looming foreclosure? Let's dive deep into the difference between the two and explore their impact on your credit score and overall financial wellness. No one will deny that missing a house payment sends shockwaves through your peace of mind. Indeed, it's no small matter. Late payments can lead to a dip in your credit score and can directly affect your financial health for up to 7 years. But think about this. You still have ample time to bounce back. You can engage with your lender, initiate negotiations, or seek professional help to prevent further harm. Now let's ponder for a moment the fallout of a foreclosure. The effect is not just severe, it's akin to a financial earthquake with aftershocks that last for 7 long years, smashing your credit score to pieces. Your ability to secure loans and housing can become as scarce as hen's teeth, and shockingly, it can even tarnish your job opportunities. The quicker you address your fears, the better your odds of avoiding foreclosure and preserving your precious credit score. Are you ready to break free from the shackles of financial stress? Let's join forces today to manage those upsetting late payments and prevent the threat of foreclosure. Together, we can shield your credit and bolster your financial stability.